Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think it looks like a W. I still think it looks like three waves down for an X, and I still think it's going to make three waves up for a wave Y, A, B, and C of wave Y, which I still think eventually will have it going up and taking out these highs, probably at least to the 78% Fibonacci extension. So this is the monthly time frame, so definitely keep in mind that that may take a year or more to play out. So going down to the 12-hour time, or the weekly time frame, that is, I definitely am looking at this over here as a wave A. I think this is a WXY right here, wave B. That makes this move up right here a wave 1. That makes this an ABC, which I think is a wave 2. And I think this is very, very likely to go up in a wave 3. And this is an ABC, so this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave C to form that WXY pattern I showed on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, ever since we've had this breaker structure, I think at the beginning of last week, I've been doing nothing but looking for logs. And if you've been doing nothing but looking for logs, you've definitely probably been doing pretty well also. It's starting to push beyond the 61.8, but really if this is the end of a crescent down here, which I believe it is, then yeah, it definitely could bounce from Fibonacci levels. But just like it's doing, it probably will make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and keep on trending up. So going down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, like I said, if you've been doing like I have and looking for longs ever since we got this breaker structure back here, you could have gone long there. There was a nice long there, nice long there, and a nice long here. So that's exactly the trades that I'm looking for. I definitely wouldn't try to go long right now. I would only try to go long on pullbacks, but when and if it does make more pullbacks, that's where I will be looking to get in again, adding to your position, maybe just getting in again for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I have this Fibonacci retracement on here. Even though we are pushing past the 78%, I actually have this set up for flat patterns. And the reason why is because this is definitely 5 waves down right here. So it still could possibly be a wave A, and it still possibly could go up to the 138, 123 area and make a ABC of B, and then possibly go down again for a wave C. I have that on there because it is definitely a possibility, but to be honest with you, looking at the higher time frames, I kind of feel like this is the least likely thing to happen. We do have a little bit of a triple top here, so maybe it will pull back, but the trend is up, and I definitely am only focused on going long at the end of all pullbacks I see for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.